Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best neck fans that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ever been outside in scorching heat and felt like there's no escape, no breeze, no shade, just heavy sweating and discomfort? Traditional fans don't help when you're on the move, and handheld options are just inconvenient. What if the cooling followed you everywhere you go? Meet the Stahl's Neck Air Conditioner Portable, a wearable bladeless neck fan designed to give you hands-free cooling with 360 degrees airflow support. 360 degrees upward and downward airflow cools your neck and face evenly from multiple directions. Large cooling plate plus NTC temperature control helps maintain consistent cooling and prevents overheating. 6,000 mAh battery, long-lasting power for outdoor trips, travel, or office use. 6 adjustable speeds, control airflow based on your comfort level. Bladeless design, safe, quiet, and hair-friendly for everyday wear. LED display shows speed and battery status clearly. Wearable neck-mounted design, hands-free comfort while walking, working, or relaxing. Pros: strong cooling performance for its size. Comfortable hands-free wearable design. Long battery life for outdoor use. Safe bladeless structure. Multiple speed settings for flexibility. Cons: not as powerful as a full AC or large portable cooler. Can feel slightly bulky during long continuous wear. Cooling effect depends on ambient temperature. Perfect for outdoor workers in hot weather. Travelers and commuters. Office users who need personal cooling. Sports like golf, walking, or cycling. Anyone who struggles with heat during summer. At around $49.99, it sits in the mid-range wearable cooling category. You're paying for portability, comfort, and hands-free cooling, making it a practical summer companion rather than a full air conditioning replacement. Number 4. Meet the Gator Neck Air Conditioner Portable, a wearable bladeless neck fan with semiconductor cooling designed for hands-free comfort anywhere. 360 degrees cooling airflow surrounds your neck with steady air circulation for faster cooling. Semiconductor cooling plate provides active cooling effect, not just air blowing. 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, solid backup for outdoor use, commuting, or office hours. Foldable and portable design, easy to pack and carry when traveling. Bladeless safety design, safe for hair, kids around, and long-term wear. LED display shows battery level and cooling mode clearly. USB Type-C charging, modern and convenient charging support. Pros: real cooling plate gives stronger cooling than basic neck fans. Foldable design makes it travel-friendly. Quiet and safe bladeless airflow. Good battery capacity for daily use. Comfortable for home, office, and outdoor use. Cons: cooling effect depends on humidity and environment. Slightly more expensive than basic neck fans. Semiconductor cooling may drain battery faster at high settings. Best for people working in hot outdoor environments. Office users who need personal cooling. Travelers and commuters in warm climates. Anyone who wants stronger cooling than a normal fan. Users who prefer compact, foldable devices. At $59.99, it's a mid to premium wearable cooling device. The added semiconductor cooling plate plus foldable design gives it more value than basic neck fans, especially for serious heat conditions. Number 3. Meet the KD Neck Fan Portable Bladeless Wearable Fan, a lightweight 360 degrees airflow neck fan designed for hands-free cooling anytime, anywhere. 360 degrees surround airflow cools evenly around your neck for consistent comfort. Upgraded air volume, plus 70% stronger airflow compared to basic neck fans. 4,000 mAh battery, 4 to 16 hours runtime, long usage depending on speed mode. 3 adjustable speeds, simple control for light breeze or stronger cooling. Bladeless safe design, hair safe, child safe, and comfortable for daily use. Super quiet operation, ideal for office, travel, or studying. Lightweight and fashionable design, easy to wear for long periods. Pros: very affordable compared to most neck fans. Lightweight and comfortable for long use. Good battery life for daily activities. Strong airflow for its price range. Quiet operation suitable for indoor use. Cons: no advanced cooling plate, airflow only. Build quality is more budget level. Cooling is less effective in extreme heat outdoors. Best for students and office workers. Light outdoor use like walking or commuting. Budget buyers who want basic cooling comfort. People who don't need heavy semiconductor cooling. Everyday home or indoor cooling support. At $33.99, this is a budget-friendly wearable fan. It offers solid airflow and long battery life for the price, making it a good entry-level option, but it focuses more on basic cooling comfort rather than advanced air conditioning style cooling. Number 2. Meet the 10V Portable Neck Fan, a powerful 6000 mAh wearable fan with 360 degrees cooling airflow designed for all-day hands-free comfort. 360 degrees surround cooling airflow delivers consistent cooling around your neck. 6000 mAh large battery, up to 20 hours runtime depending on speed mode. 6 adjustable speeds, from gentle breeze to strong airflow control. High-speed motor, stronger air circulation for faster cooling. Lightweight and wearable design, comfortable for long outdoor use. Quiet operation, suitable for office, travel, or study. USB Type-C rechargeable, fast and convenient charging. Pros: excellent battery life, up to 20 hours. Strong airflow with 6 speed options. Comfortable for long wear. Good balance between power and quietness. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Cons: no semiconductor cooling plate, air-only cooling. Slightly bulky compared to smaller models. Cooling effect depends on hot/humid weather conditions. Best for people working long hours outdoors. Travelers, cyclists, and commuters. Office users who want all-day cooling support. Anyone needing strong battery backup. Users who prefer adjustable airflow levels. At $55.99, this sits in the mid-range category. The highlight is its huge 6000 mAh battery and 20-hour usage, making it a strong choice if you need long-lasting wearable cooling without frequent recharging. Number 1. Meet the Taurus Seoli FY Neck Fan, a premium wearable neck air conditioner that delivers real cooling airflow with smart app control. True cooling technology, designed to blow noticeably cooler air than standard neck fans. Long-lasting battery, built for extended outdoor and travel use. Smart app control, adjust settings easily from your phone. Multiple cooling modes, customize airflow intensity based on heat level. 360 degrees air distribution, surround cooling around neck and face area. Premium build quality, comfortable, durable, and modern design. Wearable and hands-free, perfect for movement without restriction. Pros: stronger cooling performance than budget neck fans. Smart app control adds convenience. High-quality premium build. Comfortable for long outdoor use. Stable and consistent airflow. Cons: very expensive compared to normal neck fans. Heavier price may not suit casual users. Battery drains faster on high cooling modes. Best for people working in extreme heat conditions. Outdoor professionals and travelers. Tech lovers who want smart features. Users who want premium cooling performance. Anyone upgrading from basic neck fans. At $144.98, this is a premium wearable cooling device. You're paying for real cooling performance, smart app control, and top-tier build quality, not just basic airflow. If you're ready for serious cooling power, check the link in the description for more details. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this.